You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Italian fashion designer and creative director of Valentino. If you want to learn more names of famous designers that everybody, virtually pretty much everybody, mispronounces, make sure to stay tuned. The Italian pronunciation here, Alessandro, because you have a double S, means that you need to stress on that S sound, make it twice as long as you normally would. Alessandro, Michele. Yes, I know CH in Italian is pronounced like a K, while C is pronounced like CH. Anyhow, Michele, Alessandro, Michele. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say Alessandro Michele in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.